Again, no, morning champion niya sa Philippines, no? Sa anak Pinoy yung Mali. Here, giubuton yung gikan na sa stage, no? So here we do the massage, no? To release the tension and the tightness. Okay, good, no? Rap, okay, rap.
Nag-inom na rin nag-milk.
Mo ba?
Magsuka na.
Hangin siya masuka. Na, bawas na, no? So here, the tightness of the diaphragm muscles. So here, so we have to release. Mana siya. Good. Ayan, no? Sakit, rap? Okay, rap?
Yayay?
Okay?
No yayay? Good.
Okay. Rap, you do like this, yeah? Ayan, good. And here. Ayan, good. Tight na yun kayo, no? Muna siyang yubo, dan. Finger naman rin, kapan flow din to prevent flow, no? Kanis to release the flow, no? Here.
Cuman. Tila yayay, lang ha, kung mayayay ha. What man?
Okay, good here, no? Tight na kayo. Okay, good. Etc.
That.
Good. And here.
Yayay?
Here.
Good? Nice
And
touch?
do like this, ha? Okay, good ka na. So, yes, yung mami ka niyo.
Oh, dolphin to swim.
Yung tight cam.
Lang yayay
And we
ha.
release this one. Again, tension, no? Here. Muna ito mo champion, hopefully, no? Yeah. Maka-join sa Youth Olympic for the triathlon.
Atrayat lang na to, sino na how to swim?
Good.
Sino na how to swim? Ang lubot na lang iluton.
And then the next one, Rob. I-up na ito, no?
Mix mo with me.
Okay, here. Rob. Then straight the neck, yeah?
You take it.
Dito ka na pa? Okay ka na.
Straight
Do
like
like
that,
this.
straight
Okay,
like
good.
that.
How to hold it.
Like that lang.
Here, no? You have to release this one.
Wait!
Hmm?
Tumawag ka.
2, 3, 4,
Yayay?
Stop it and video
Five.
taking.
6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, good. Intellectual property mo ba, no? Yes.